Welcome to Real Civil YouTube channel. In this short video, I am going to explain you two very important things from Etabs software. The first one is most of the time our architectural drawings are in feet and inches, and in Etab we work in SI units. So this is the this Etab file is also in SI unit, that is in meter for length case. Now we don't need to convert the feet into meter, inches into meter. Etab has that option, ready-made option is there. So I will give you example. For example, story height is generally 10 feet. Okay, you can take any example. For demonstration I will select this. Story height is 10 feet, so you can directly put 10, give the feet sign, press enter, it will directly convert. There is another way, 10 ft, again it will convert. Or suppose it is 10 feet 3 inches, enter, again it will convert. Because my etap file is in SI unit, so that's why it takes in meter. You can put the values in centimeter, millimeter, just write the cm or mm, it will automatically convert. So this is very good option in etap. Second thing that I want to explain is, uh, most of the time we use calculator and directly put the values of that calculation in etab. So no need to use the calculator. Etab, it has calculator inbuilt. For example, suppose we need to calculate the load on the beam. So let's take external wall 0.23 multiply by height of the structure, height of the wall 3 meter, multiply by density of the wall. You can just type here all the things and then press enter. It will automatically give the calculation. So no need to use the separate calculator. That is the beauty of etab. I hope the video is useful for you. Please like, share, subscribe the channel. Thank you. Thank you so much.